I show you how to make delicious Hag Gow dumplings, stuffed with shrimp, scallop and leek in a cream and butter sauce. Start by preparing the stuffing. Cut 100 grams of bamboo shoots into small cubes. Boil them for 10 minutes. Then drain them. Mince 150 grams of leeks. 1 onion, chop 2 cloves of garlic, peel 200 grams of shrimp, cut them into chunks. Prepare 25 grams of butter and half teaspoon of fine spice powder. In a pan over medium heat, put the butter and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the butter has melted, add the chopped garlic. Stir. The garlic should not become golden as soon as a good smell comes up. Here, after 30 seconds, add the onion. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes. Put the leek and the bamboo shoots. Briefly stir and season with half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, the fine spice powder, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add 150 grams of sour cream. Turn to low heat, combine. As soon as the cream has melted, turn off the heat. Finally add 300 grams of scallops, the shrimp, and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix and the stuffing is ready. To make the Hag Gow wrappers, I use 3 different starches: wheat starch, tapioca starch, and potato starch. Make these wrappers yourself. You will be pleasantly surprised by its soft and chewy texture. In a saucepan, put 220 grams of wheat starch, 130 grams of tapioca starch, 50 grams of potato starch, half teaspoon of salt, mix. Then add 450 grams of boiling water. It must be boiling, otherwise the dough will be brittle. Immediately mix until the water is absorbed. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now pound the dough for 5 minutes to make it soft. Divide it into 4 pieces. Keep them in a bag to prevent them from drying out. Take one part, form a long log. Cut it into 10 pieces. Continue in the same way until getting 40 pieces. Put a parchment paper previously perforated in the steamer basket. Flatten a piece of dough. Spread it to obtain a disc of about 10 centimeters in diameter. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing. Fold both sides to make a half moon. The left hand pushes the dough toward the right hand, forming a fold. The right hand presses the fold to enclose the stuffing. Continue in this way by making about 10 folds until the end. I show you again from my point of view. To make a smaller Hag Gow, make the disc of 8 centimeters in diameter. Place the Hag Gow in the steamer basket. Don't touch each other. You can put the basket in the fridge to cook them the next day. Steam on high heat with a lid for 7 minutes. These Hag Gow dumplings are delicious. Some will appreciate them even more with sriracha sauce. Bon appétit and happy holidays!